Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. Today, I'll be guiding you through how to buy Walmart gift cards online. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do is go and click open your web browser. Once you do that, go and search for Walmart gift card and press the enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you can go ahead and click on the first link that you see from the search results. After you reach to this page, go ahead and sign into your account by clicking on the account button at the upper right. Click on sign in order to sign into your account. Now, enter your email address that is associated with the account in the text field that you see. Now, click on the sign in button and a password text field will appear. Go ahead and type in your password for your account and click on sign in. Once you're signed into your account, you can go ahead and click on shop at the left corner, and after you do that, you'll be able to see that there are a lot of gift cards displayed in this page. You can select a gift card according to the criteria you want. If you want to choose from all the gift cards, then click on all gift cards from the left-hand menu. You can choose to shop gift cards by format, category, brand, and much more. Let me click on one of them, and as soon as you do that, go ahead and select the card you'd like to buy. Let me click on this one right here. The amount for your gift card will be displayed over here. You can choose the gift card amount from 25 to 50. Choose the quantity of the card and click on add to cart. Once you do that, if you want to view your card, then click on view cart. If you want to make any kind of changes, then go ahead and do it right now. After you do that, click on check out. Now, go ahead and click on the continue button, and in the next page, you'll need to enter your information. Type in your first name in the first text field, and on the next field, type in your street address. After that, enter your last name, and you can enter your apartment or suite number, which is an optional, so you can skip this step as well. Enter your phone number in the next text field, type in the name of your city, and on the next field, you can enter an email address for order notifications. You'll receive all the notifications in this email. Simply go ahead and type in a valid one. You can choose your state from the drop-down. Your zip code has been automatically entered. If you want to be emailed about hot items, grid shavings, and more, then leave this box checked. If not, uncheck the box and click on continue. As soon as you do that, on the next page, you'll need to enter your payment method and your credit or debit card number and those kind of things, and you will be able to buy Walmart gift cards online. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.